G'day viewers. Today we're going to be touching on new inverters, their monitoring portals, and then why you can't see that on your monitoring portal anymore. Now you may have had your system set up so that you could see it before, and now all of a sudden you can't. We get a lot of these inquiries here at Solar Doctor Savers, so I'm just going to touch on what that could possibly be. Now, if your inverter's first protocol will be go to your inverter, see if there's a green light on. If there's a green light on your inverter, that means that the inverter's working. There will be a Wi-Fi light on your inverter as well. That should usually be blue. Now that may be red, and that's telling that it's not communicating with your router. If it's flashing blue, that means it's trying to find your router and talk to it. So essentially, if you've changed your router for any reason, or your router has fallen over, it won't be able to talk to it. If it's a new router, the inverter system will be looking for the old router and trying to communicate with it. It does not know that the new router is there or what it is. So if that's the case, you're going to have to get in touch with your solar technician, get them to come out, do a bit of a reprogram so that your inverter can recognise and talk to your new router. The other major we see that is if there's some work being done on the house somewhere and someone's turned the solar off, it will go offline and it will not talk to your inverter. Same could happen with your DC supply if you've lost DC supply to the inverter. But going back to if all the lights are green on the inverter, that means that it's got good AC supply, it's got good DC supply, everything's fine with the inverter, it's just not talking to your router, and you'll not be able to see that on your computer. So I hope this helps you. If you have any problems with your monitoring platform, Solar Doctor out. Thank you.